PROMERA Anlagensysteme GmbH in Schweinfurt. Since 2003, we have developed, produced, and supplied diaphragm dosing systems, piston dosing systems, and systems for customized applications. Our customers can expect a comprehensive range of products, which we implement in full, from development to commissioning. Highly specialized engineers develop tailor-made solutions, with conception, development, and design at the outset of the process. The development, design, electrical, and project management departments work hand in hand with short communication pathways. We rely on proven technologies and software, such as controllers from Siemens and Rockwell. We develop project requirements as a team to realize and implement our orders in a customer-oriented manner. Our value chain includes all the necessary manufacturing technologies. We produce everything from a single source, guaranteeing maximum functionality and precision. We review and specify processes in our in-house technical center to continuously develop our business further. Our systems are among those of the highest quality on the market. We produce to deliver results that are as durable and maintenance-free as possible. We also organize and support logistics ourselves. We stand for sustainability and climate neutrality with concrete measures, such as generating our own electricity using PV systems and tree planting campaigns. We are aware of our ecological responsibility. From Schweinfurt to the whole world, we are your global partner with the highest standards for technological solutions.